If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this little small Shorty bottle of Avion silver into this lovely, glamorous, rhinestone and pearl embellished bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing this Avion silver bottle, and I'm going to use some rhinestones and pearls. I'm going to be using liquid fusion glue. You can purchase off Amazon for $13 or $12. Here is a wax pickup tool. I'll have some links in the description where you can purchase this. And I have my precision tip bottle with the liquid fusion inside. I'm going to add a little bit of glue, and I'm going to start adding some silver rhinestones. I've already picked out the combination that I want to use. So it's going to be clear rhinestones, hematite black, silver rhinestones, silver pearls, and some AB white pearls. So of course, there's many different ways you can go about this, but I like to kind of trace out a window around the brand of the liquor or whatever's on the bottle, the main area. Then I kind of fill in everything else after that. You don't have to do it this way, or you could build your window around the brand of the liquor a different way. And there's so many different colors that you can choose from. If you don't want to go with the colors of the bottle or the label, remember, you can always paint the bottle any color you like, then go over it with some rhinestones. Now, something like this is cute to have on your little mantelpiece or your personal home bar, or this will be a great birthday gift for someone if you pick out their favorite liquor or their favorite beverage, and then you could just bling it out. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you how you can make a lovely gift set. That could be something that you give someone for Mother or Father's Day, or someone who's like a bartender who will be into that type of thing. There's just so many different ideas or great gifts this could be. It could be a gift set for someone who's turning 21, for example. So when I'm adding pearls, I like to use a bigger amount of glue because the pearls are bigger. So you can kind of see some of that glossy glue on there. And I'm just kind of randomly putting on my pearls. Then I'll go in between and fill that up with the smaller size rhinestones that I have. So the main thing you want to do is just make sure you cover and fill the whole area to avoid any gapping or spacing. And allow whatever it is that you're adding the rhinestones to, allow it to dry at least 24 to 48 hours. Okay, just in case you were wondering, a project like this, if you work just steady and don't stop, this should take you no longer than 35 to 45 minutes. And I'm using 5mm rhinestones, and the pearls are actually 8mm. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. I think this looks really cute. I like a pearl and a rhinestone mixture. I like all pearls together, and I also like all rhinestones. So it just depends on what the vibe is or what you're working on, but I think this is really cute. I tried to go along with the colors of the actual bottle labeling and everything. I'm not going to do anything to the lid or the top. This is a brand new bottle, and I just don't want to compromise it being able to be opened. And then I'll show you a cute gift set that you can put together in the next slide. Okay, so isn't this like super cute? Now you can check out my playlist of liquor bottles and wine bottles that I've done if you'd like to see how I did the Bombay, the Absolute, and the De Leon bottles. You could check that out. But just do a couple different bottles of these. This is very inexpensive. These bottles aren't very these bottles are very affordable. As you know, they're like probably $5 or less for these little Shorty bottles. And you can just bling them out as many as you like to. You could do a gift set with 3, 4, 5, however many. And I think they're just so adorable. But you guys, thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook if possible. Subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.